Hello everyone, I'm Alianza, your health informer. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this channel guys, we're talking more about health tips and health benefits. At kung bago pa kayo dito sa channel ko, huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe at pindutin ang notification bell para updated kayo palagi kung mayroon akong upload na bagong video. In this video, we will discuss about vaginal burning or painful vagina. It is a condition of irritation and itching. It is caused by inflammation or infection of the vagina, genitals, and urinary tract. Ang mga kababaihan, lagi kayong magpa-check up sa doktor para maglalaman ang reproductive system. Ang vagina, urinary tract, halos magkalapit lang yan sila. Kaya pag may isang mahawaan dyan, hawa-hawa na lahat. Ito ay very common. Ang mga kababaihan ay malamang na makaranas ng itching at burning sa bahagi ng sa kanilang ari. Generally, vaginal burning is easy to treat. However, it can also be an indicator of a more serious condition. Some women may notice no discharge but a burning sensation. Others only experience it during certain activities such as sex or urination. What are the symptoms of a painful vagina? The symptoms depend upon the cause, or in some case, burning sensation is accompanied by severe pain and bleeding. The most common symptoms are irritation, severe itching in the genital area. The vaginal burning can have many causes, from mild complication to serious conditions and diseases. This hot feeling can affect the vagina, genitals, and urinary tract. Ang urinary tract yung mga dinadaanan ng ihi natin. There are factors that can irritate the vagina and vulva through direct contact. There is no discharge but you will notice a burning sensation with severe itching and swelling of the vagina. Ang lahat ng mga sinasabi ko na ito ay maaaring nararanasan ng mga kababaihan. Sometimes the irritation happened in the vagina are from laundry detergents, sabon, perfume, and other scented products or fabric softeners you use also on your genitals that can cause painful intercourse like tampons, condoms, vaginal wipes, and sprays. There are many reasons increases risk for painful ulcer sa mga ari ng mga kababaihan. Using the scented products for vaginal care and hygiene during menstruation and pregnancy and menopausal, doting, condoms, and lubricant. Maraming tao na nai-irritate sa mga product na yan. People frequently wear tight clothing can cause their vagina to become hot na nagiging breeding ground ng bacteria. Kapag masikip ang mga sinusuot, mainit talaga, nai-irritate yung private part natin. Kailangan magpalit agad ng damit or underwear. The easiest way to prevent this is to avoid all irritant. Just wash your vagina with plain soap and water. You should ask your OB/GYN what is the safe soap to use. Be sure to shower after swimming or using a sauna or hot tub or swimming pool. This will help remove bacteria that may have come into contact with the vulva. Observe proper hygiene. When to see a doctor? If the burning sensation is unbearable and recurs even after treatment. However, genital sores will get better on their own. Antibiotics and over-the-counter creams can help relieve the pain. You will notice no discharges, but a burning sensation this can develop into more serious health rest. Ang pangangati guys, lalo na pag matagal, pabalik-balik, hindi na normal yon. Kailangan ka nang magpatingin ng mga eksperto. Kung may kakaiba kayong nararamdaman sa katawan, lalo na sa mga private part natin, magpatingin kayo agad sa mga doktor or sa mga expert. Prevention is better than cure. Remember guys, health is wealth. Hanggang dito na lang tayo sa topic natin. Sana may natutunan kayo at nakuhang aral dito sa mga sinasabi ko, lalo pag nararanasan nyo ang mga ganitong sitwasyon. At kung bago pa kayo dito sa channel ko guys, huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe at pindutin ang notification bell para updated kayo palagi kung mayroon akong upload na bagong video. At kung may gusto naman kayong itanong dito sa topic kong ito, mag-comment lang below. Hindi ako magsasawang magpasalamat sa lahat ng mga subscribers, non-subscribers, lalo na sa mga silent viewers. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng suportang ginawa nyo dito sa channel ko. Pagpalain po kayo lahat. May God bless us. Thank you for watching.